She's from the foundation.
Oh, wonderful.
Hi, Kiran.
Hey, then.
How are you?
Hello.
Today. So we, some of you must have been aware of the film we made for Ship of Theseus. It's been playing in theaters last 4 weeks, and one of the central thoughts, one of the central ideas in the film is in the film already. It has been a very, very strong concern for me and my friends for a very long time. If my statistics are right, I'm sure Pallavi will correct me later. There are about 350,000 people in India every year die from an absence of availability of organs and tissues, and it's a situation that can be corrected very easily. Does not really require a huge effort to correct a situation that is at hand, and we feel very strongly that all of us should sign up for posthumous organ and tissue donation. So it is with that purpose that we are meeting here today. Let me quickly introduce you to my team who they strongly believe in organ donation, believe in posthumous body donation. So let me quickly introduce you to, without further ado, Soham Shah, my actor and producer. One thing that before I hand over the mic to Soham, one thing that Soham mentioned when he came on board, Soham was cast for playing the part of a stockbroker in the film. And one of the things that he mentioned when he decided to turn producer, when he decided to turn financer, is a thing that he maintained in the last 3 years constantly. Every time we had a conversation about the budget of the film going up a bit, or one of the other problems that we were facing concerning resources. And one idea that Soham maintained through all these years is the reiteration that if even one person ends up signing for posthumous organ donation after watching the film, all his resources, all his time and all his money is worth it. So, I'll just introduce everyone quickly, and so maybe you can take a seat. And as you know, the film was made, and we would just begin to wonder what will we do with a film like Ship of Theseus in India, and how would we ever reach out to audiences? How would we ever convince distributors and exhibitors in this country to open up their theaters for a film like Ship of Theseus? And that's when Kiran came by. Kiran Rao saw the film, and she has very generously, very kindly put the last 7 months of her life in making sure that the film gets out there with let me introduce everyone to Pallavi Kumar from Mohan Foundation. Mohan Foundation has been doing an amazing amount of work in encouraging people to donate their organs, and it's a huge amount of work. It's a complex amount of work and it's a huge task that they've undertaken. It's such an important task that they've undertaken. When I was in Delhi about a couple of years ago to show a small excerpt of Ship of Theseus, I had the opportunity to spend some time with Pallavi and try and understand what is it that they do. And Pallavi had some if you can just tell me about your intention behind signing up today.
आनंद ने मुझे ये कहानी सुनाई, जिस कहानी में सबसे खास बात यही लगी कि ऑर्गन डोनेशन के बारे में। हालांकि हमारी कहानी का आदमी से 8 लोगों की ज़िंदगी बन सकती है। और कहीं ना कहीं हमारा ये फिल्म बनाने का मकसद, मेरा मकसद ये बहुत रहा है कि अगर इस फिल्म से किसी एक आदमी को भी ज़िंदगी मिलती है या उसको ऑर्गन्स मिलते हैं और उसकी ज़िंदगी बेहतर हो सकती है, तो मेरे लिए बहुत काफ़ी बहुत होगी। और लोगों ने क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछे कि आपने इतने पैसे डाले हैं इस फिल्म में और पैसे आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं मेरा जवाब ये था कि अगर ये फिल्म किसी एक आदमी को भी ऑर्गन ला पाने में सक्षम हो पाए तो ये मेरे लिए था। तो मैंने इसी आइडिया के साथ इस फिल्म को प्रोड्यूस किया और मुझे बहुत खुशी है और लोगों तक फिल्म पहुँची है, बहुत लोगों तक फिल्म पहुँच पाई है और ये फिल्म धीरे धीरे और लोगों तक पहुँचेगी। और जैसा कि ऐसा हो रहा है, बहुत से लोग अपने ऑर्डर डोनेट करने के लिए आगे बढ़े।
I think when I was doing the film, the concept of the transplant was important to me as a character, but not as a human being so much at that point of time. I think as a character I understood what I was doing, and I was receiving an organ for myself from somebody else. But now, over a period of 3 years since the film has been shot, it has now struck me in a certain way about the importance of actually donating and actually giving away something, like Valerie said, give away something you don't need. And it's very rightly put, because that's exactly what it boils down to later on. When you have a brain dead body, and if that body can be of purpose to somebody else, it's a wonderful, wonderful philosophy, it's a wonderful thought, it's a wonderful ideology that I personally have slowly begun thinking about. And this certainly came as a very beautiful moment when we were asked to come here and say that can we donate or do we want to pledge. And I think it's wonderful for me today, because I didn't plan to be here like this, but this just happened. And I